Hello and welcome to today's lesson. We would like to thank you for joining us in this lesson. As we continue with our revision, we request you to kindly subscribe to our channel and also to help us share the link. Let us go through the question together. A hot water tap H can fill the bathtub in 5 minutes. That is, we have H can fill the tub in 5 minutes, while a cold water tap C can do it in 3 minutes. The drain pipe D can empty the full bathtub in 3¼ minutes. So D is going to empty, and in this case it is going to take 3¼ hours. We can change this into improper fraction. That is 4 times 3 will give us 12. 12 plus 3, which gives us 15, and that would be 15/4. That is 15/4 minutes. Given that the bathtub is empty and the two taps and the drain pipe are fully opened for 1½ minutes, after which the drain pipe is closed, how much longer will it take to fill the bathtub? This question is equally very simple. H can fill the tub in 5 minutes, meaning in 1 minute it is going to do what fraction of the work? It's going to do simply 1/5 of the work. C can do it in 3 minutes, meaning in 1 minute it can manage to fill 1/3, that is a third of the tank. And if D can do it in 15 divided by 4 minutes, in 1 minute it is going to do 1/15/4, which is going to be equal to 4/15. That is, we take 1 divided by 15/4, which is going to give us 4/15. And this is the fraction of the tap that is filled by H in 1 minute. A third is the fraction of the tap that is filled by C in 1 minute. And 4/15 is the fraction filled by emptied by D in 1 minute. So they are saying all the three are opened for 1½ minutes. The first thing we need to do is to calculate the fraction filled by all in 1 minute first. In 1 minute. And to get the fraction filled by all in 1 minute, we are going to take the fraction done by H in 1 minute. We add the fraction done by C in 1 minute, which is a third. Then since D is emptying, we minus the fraction emptied by D in 1 minute, which is 4/15. And this one is going to be equal to, if you take 1/5 plus a third minus 4/15, this one is going to give us, we can do that together. We have 1/5 plus a third minus 4, that is minus 4 divided by 15, and this one is going to give us the fraction, which is 4/15. So the fraction done by all in 1 minute is going to be 4/15. And we know 1 minute is going to be equal to 4/15, and the 3 taps have been opened for 1½ hours, which is the same as 3/2. So if 1 minute is 4/15, 3/2 minutes would be equal to what? This one is 3/2. That one would be 3/2 times 4/15. Then of course you divide by 1, and this one is going to give us, that is by 2 ones, by 2, 2. The 3 ones, it goes here 5 times. So the fraction filled is going to be 2/5. So we can say the fraction filled is 2/5, and unfilled and field is going to be equal to the remaining from 2 to make it 5, which is 3 over 5. Having done that, one of the tabs is closed, that is tab D is closed. After that, then now the two remaining tabs will have to fill the remaining part of the tank. So we again need to find out the fraction filled by the two, that is H and C in 1 minute, that is per minute, and this one is going to be equal to a fifth plus a third, which is going to give us 8 over 15. Having done that, now we know this is the fraction of the work done in 1 minute, but the fraction to be done is actually 3 over 5, and we are going to divide by the fraction that is done in 1 minute, which is going to be equal to 8 over 15. That is, to get the time to do the remaining part of the work, take the remaining fraction of the work to be done, you divide by the time done by the 2 working per minute, and in this case this one is going to be equal to 3 over 5. We multiply by 15 over 8, and this one is going to give us 5 goes here once, it goes to 15 3 times, and this one is going to be equal to 9 out of 8, which is the same as 1 minute and 1 over 8 minutes now. So the answer is going to be equal to 1 and 1 over 8 minutes. That is how that question is supposed to be done.